Welcome to Hawkstone in Lithia. Discover a world of effortless elegance and comfort with the Valeria, a single-story home featuring 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. The foyer leads to 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a convenient laundry room with washer and dryer included. The vaulted ceilings and open-concept living, dining, and kitchen areas are perfect for entertaining or cozy family nights, all enhanced by sleek quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and luxury vinyl plank flooring. Enjoy seamless indoor-outdoor living with access to the covered lanai through sliding glass doors in the dining area. The owner's suite is spacious and can easily fit a large bedroom set. The owner's bathroom is impressive with a dual vanity, walk-in shower, and an oversized walk-in closet. This home is under construction and has a lot of incentives, such as concessions for rate buy down to 2.99%. Call us today for information.